In this video, I show you exactly how traders are making 4 and 5 figure returns buying and selling Injective meme coins. I'm also going to show you step by step exactly how to invest in Injective meme coins, especially if you haven't used the Injective protocol before. So guys, below this video is 3 links. First link is how to download a Kepler app. I've linked that below. I've also linked below coinhall.org. This is where we analyze the actual coins themselves. You can actually trade on here as well using your Kepler wallet. Finally, the Injective hub. This is where you're going to bridge your tokens when it comes to actually purchasing Injective in the first place. So what we'll do first is we'll have a look at a few of the actual coins. So let's quickly just discuss first exactly how you bridge over and buy Injective. Now, some of you may have purchased Injective already on a normal centralized exchange. So that could be something like Coinbase, or you may have purchased it on Binance, or you may have used something like Mexi, OKX, or some of the other exchanges. So you can actually buy Injective from there. But what you need to do once you've bought Injective is use something like MetaMask, and usually you can send your Injective tokens there. It'll be on the Ethereum chain, and then on MetaMask what you need to do is bridge. You need to bridge these over to the Injective network. And then the final step is after bridging them, you can then send them to another wallet, which is a Kepler wallet. There are other wallets you can use as well, but this is the main one. I've used it with absolutely no issues at all. And this is the one that will actually hold your Injective tokens on the Injective kind of network. And then you can buy and sell any Injective meme coins, for example. So let's say you've got your Injective. You would then come here onto Injective Hub and you'd click on Bridge. All you need to do in the top right hand corner is connect your MetaMask account. And with your MetaMask account, you can add your Ethereum address. It will usually connect automatically, and it will bridge all of the Injective you have to this Injective wallet here. And then what you can do is you can transfer the funds. So then you go to your wallet on the left here, and whilst your wallet's connected here, what you can do is you can scroll down to transfer and then click here, Injective, which is the asset you want to transfer, the exact amount, and then your Injective address destination. This will be the Kepler wallet destination here, and then it'll get transferred. And then within a short while, actually it takes a little bit longer than some of the other transactions, for example, from Central to MetaMask, but anyway, and then you can check your Kepler wallet as a Chrome extension and you're good to go. Now you can come on CoinHall. Now on here, there are several different coins on different chains, so you can get /INJ, which are the Injective ones. Also one that's been pumping recently and very popular is /SEI. And those are the ones I've been looking at recently. So we'll discuss kind of both of them because they're both very relevant right now in terms of trading. Now, some of the most popular ones on Injective, one of the most popular ones is Ninja. Now, I did a video not long ago, I think it was about a couple of weeks ago, where I went through these coins and we had a look at the setups, and I explained in that video that I'm not actually, I did a few trades on Injective coins, but then I kind of stopped because I realized that after the kind of buzz with Injective in general as a protocol, things kind of died down. And because there's so many coins and there's so few people who generally know how to bridge over and then know how to invest into these coins, the volume was going down. And volume, as I've explained before in my videos, very, very important, especially for meme coins. And you can see there at the bottom, it's trailing downwards. So I'm not surprised to see that since then, a lot of these coins are going sideways. They're not particularly crashing or going up in any impulsive way, but there's no volume. But you guys are here early and you're watching this video, so you will know that as soon as we get the next pump in Injective as an ecosystem platform, just the altcoin alone, doubling, trebling in price, and then people having just more free cash, they're going to be coming here and investing in some of the OG coins as well as new coins as well. So as soon as you see volume come back into this market, you'll be one of the earliest ones. And then it's hard to say because these are all brand new coins. It's hard to say how high they will go, whether they will replicate moves we saw like Bonk on Solana. But remember, Bonk on Solana is popular now, but it was first launched a year ago. So in maybe weeks or months time, some of these OG coins, for example, Ninja on Injective, could pump. And if you're early and you're keeping an eye on this regularly, you could do very, very well. Another few that I'd been looking at initially Another one was Kira. Same thing here. If you look at the chart, let me just zoom in a little bit. So let's go on a 4-hourly. So you can see it's a bigger candle, so it's easier to see. Same thing, loads of volume at the beginning when Injective was really pumping, very, very popular. Obviously, volume's low anyway over the holiday period, but especially low here because people have kind of moved on. So I don't expect this to do anything anytime soon. But again, if you have another round, another big pump, these will be some of the OG coins that do well. Now let's have a look at the trending tab on the top, because this will suggest especially some of the new coins that might be doing all right. Now this one only launched a couple of days ago and it had a nice pump at the beginning. And the thing is, if you get early in some of these, so if you actually have a look at the price move, so some of these, let's say you were in, not like immediately, but maybe an hour or so later, you still would have got 150%. I don't think that's worth it at the moment, because you can do that perfectly fine on Solana coins, even Avalanche coins as well, probably a lot more when certain coins pump at the beginning. I think same issue, Injective just doesn't have the volume, so a lot of them are being dragged down. Let's click on another one here at the top, DGNZ. This just launched, but kind of same issue with volume. And then you have to obviously research these a lot more. You'd want to have a look at, you've got the Twitter link here, Telegram link, website, etc. You want to have a look at these in a little bit more detail. For example, if I click on the Ninja one, click on this Twitter icon, well, x.com now. See, it's a big social account, 18,000 followers. So it's a well-established account. So long term, if this kicks off again, then it could be doing quite well. And then also you want to have a look, is it an active account? Clearly is very, very active as well. 343 posts since they actually launched. They describe themselves as the first meme coin on Injective, so one of the OGs. Have a quick look at a couple of these SEI coins. So Cyan, a lot of people on YouTube were talking about this one. It had a bit of a pump. It's now pulling back. But if we scroll out, so let's go on to a 4-hour and have a look at this. So obviously the coin's been very, very popular. The chart almost mirrors, ironically, how the coin's doing. The coin's experiencing a bit of a pullback now. And you can see at its top, it was a good, even on this second wave move with increasing volume, it was a good 10x. It was nearly 1,000%. Now, it's getting a strong pullback, and these pullbacks in meme coins you have to be careful with. They can be very, very sharp. This is 40% or so. But it's interesting to see what happens from here because the volume is still there. So I personally am more inclined to invest in one of the SEI coins right now rather than Injective, because the volume is here at the moment. It's whether these will all have another pump or whether it'll just be a smaller pullback and they're done. And you can keep an eye on that basic chart analysis. You'd expect the volume to die off and the price to go down. But if the volume picks up with green candles and we're breaking out again, then these would be a good ones to jump into. Another one here is Cerner, which is kind of going sideways at the moment, not doing anything. It's another one you'd want to research more. Check the socials and check the general contract details as well. Also check if there's buying and selling going on, if there's good volume in this particular market. You can see the liquidity there, you can see the volume there, and you can see the kind of general, what you might call the market cap here as well. So you can see all of those details here at the top. And I like CoinHall because it gives you a quick summary as well of 1 hour move, 24-hour move, etc., which is useful, along with the traders as well. So I hope that helps. I'll almost certainly be doing another update, especially on the SEI coins very soon. Thanks for listening.